everyone! Hey there, everyone here! No. Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video where today we are playing DeadBolt. I'm sorry the screen is compiled into one. I had to do it like this because the face cam wouldn't get in somehow. I don't know, I had to jam it in here, so that's why it's so small, and that's why my face cam is so small, because I couldn't figure out how to get it in there. Okay, that's out of the way. Okay, so welcome to DeadBolt. This is the full original game. It's out on Steam if you want to go check it out. You can download Steam. It's a pretty cool game. I only heard a little bit about it, but we're gonna go into a new game and see how this is like. Another night. That's what that skull dude sounds like. Ooh. Okay, kill all the undead. All right, so you use W dash and W. Okay, and use E to pick up knife. No! Oh, that's awesome! I love this game already. Alright, oh, there he comes. Oh! Okay, turn the lights off. Toilet. Oh, fence. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Alright. Oh, there he is. Sorry. Okay, come on, let's do this. Okay, let's get very quiet. Hey, dude. Watching TV, huh? Yeah! Alright. Okay, turn the lights off. We're gonna knock on the door. Hello? Come in! I don't have a knife anymore. I need to go grab another knife. I threw it at him. Alright. Let's go. Oh, wait. Oh, crap. Wait till he comes down, and then oh! Okay, assassination. Wait till he comes down, and then oh yes. Continue to exit, and there's another gun. Let's pick up the gun. Sweet. Oh yeah, first tutorial complete. Oh, there's another tutorial. Okay, well. Oh, sweet. Oh, I remember this because I heard you can go through the toilets. Okay, let's knock. Hello, dude? Dude? Got nothing to say. Blew his head off. Gonna go in the vent. That's not useless. Let's go in there. Let's turn the light off first. We don't need that gun. Knock, knock. Hello! Hello, goodbye! Thank you. Okay, there's a guy gonna be coming up. There he is. Oh crap, I'm out of ammo! Grab it. Yes! Okay, I think... Is that guy coming up? I think that guy's coming up. Alright, come on, dude. Boom! Oh yeah, baby! Turn all the lights off. Is that it? We went through that tutorial, baby. Oh yeah, dead simple. Accuracy 89, headshots 33, and a 5-star, baby. Woohoo! 5-star. That's what I like to see. Oh, you're finally back. Who are you? Oh yeah, and you also have to talk to this magical fire. Magical fire of flames. The flames roar to life, and voice speaks out. Another life well returned. Sounds like Undertale. Well, I made it like that. Mission. My candles tell me tales undead form from blossom. Find another odd knock to ding their bells. Intel. Undead are exist to kill when undead the fire leaks and non-dead zombies must be toward the afterlife. Okay. Let's go to our mission. Open the book. Go to our mission. Okay. Zombie Kings. Zombie Kings. Go to Zombie Kings. Noisy neighbors. Boom, boom, boom. Can you hear that? Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. That's sweet. Okay. Nice jamming out there, bro. Okay, let's go to the toilet. Boom. Knock, knock, dude. Hey, I just want to come through here. You got nothing here. Hello, goodbye. Oh, that's awesome. Oh shoot! I killed him. Oh, I didn't know he was there. All right, turn the lights off. They know I'm there down there. Okay. Is he coming? Let's hide behind the couch. Always gotta hide behind this couch. Boom. I'm getting good at this game. Okay, let's okay, let's turn the lights off over here. Okay. Let's go down here. Let's just boom you. I'm out of ammo, pick up this other gun. Knock knock. Who's there? Oh, dude, hello. I'm just gonna say hello. Good evening. How you doing? Oh, what? Come on. You don't have to shoot me. I call that unfairness. And annoying. Come on, guys. Don't be afraid of me. I can pop my head up all I want. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. I'm out of ammo. Uh-oh. What? Oh, jeez. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Thank you. I killed the guy by punching him in the face a whole bunch of times. That's how you kill win. Alright, there's a gun down here. Grab it. Hide behind the couch. Okay, we're good. Oh crap, we're not good. Wrong way, you idiot! Oh, God damn it! You idiot! Technically that was my fault since I was the guy who was actually playing the guy in the game. Hello, goodbye. Up. Okay, killed them both. Oh no, there's another guy. Okay. Let's hide behind you. What? Go! Oh crap! Punch him! Oh frick! Oh shoot! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh, I killed him! Oh no, there's more. Oh, I don't have enough ammo. We have to come up here, guys. Oh no! Please come out one by one, please. Oh no, that's. All right, let's do this right this time. I can't even get past the first level. Come on, this is bull crap. Okay, then you come up. I'm gonna turn these lights off. Okay. They'll come up and they'll turn it on. Okay. Ooh, gas tape unlocked. Alright, let's turn these lights off. Okay, turn the lights off. Hide behind there. Yes, I killed him. Okay, clear card. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go to our car. Woohoo! Yeah, baby, we did it. Cleared the first mission. Clocked in. Noisy neighbors. 5-star. Boom. 10 stars in a row, babe. 5 stars in a row, baby. Accuracy 89%. Headshots 59. That's all right. It's all right for a beginner. Hello, dude. Again. Okay, fire. Bless me. Flames roar to life. Let me get here. Missions. Mission: the undead begin to crop stranger powers from below. Insert the flame, eject the brains, and see what it contains. Until there's a bouncer at the far side of the house. You can kill him and get his weapon. But there's a bouncer. Lure zombies with shotguns. Take a few headshots to bring them down. Okay, powders. A new drug called Ash. Oh, his candles say that it makes you feel like you're alive again. The flames, my employer, want to know more. Okay, mission unlocked. All right, let's do the next mission, which is Zombie Kings. New high. Okay. Ah, can't touch. Roland said no. That's how that fat guy would talk. I don't know. All right, find the drugs. This is a drug game now. Oh, jeez. Okay. Do I need that? Let's just. Hello. Goodbye. 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 Oh shoot. I'm out of ammo. Okay, we need to grab this. Can we go in the toilet? Yes, we can. Oh. Oh, there you. Okay, we're already here. Can I knock on the door? Let's throw it. Ready? Oh! Alright, I got a text message. What did I get? Hold on, we're pausing this game. What? Okay. Okay. Where are we? Okay. Let's try a different strategy. Let's just go in from this way. Oh crap, I didn't even... At least those guys don't have guns. I can just shoot them from far away. Alright, let's go to this side. Great, let's turn the lights off. There we go. Sorry, dude. Yeah, I have no ammo now. Can I just... He has a gun. I don't. Man, there's a gun there, but it's gonna be risky. Go to the vents! Ah, you idiot! Why did you go to the vents? I clicked E! Come here. Come on, dude. Kill everybody else. You're the last one. I don't need no sacrifices. Just death. Oh, what? No. I made it in there. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could save 2 bullets, but I'm out of ammo. Oh wait, I can grab that. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Okay, let's go down here. Let's grab the hammer. Grab the hammer. Hey, dude. Okay, I think we can kill this guy now. When he gets close. I'm just gonna drop on him. Drop it! Actually, no, we're gonna grab the hammer. And we're gonna go in for this guy's kill to get the drugs. And then we're gonna kill everybody. That's the strategy, people. We're gonna throw it in his face. Okay. Inspect drugs. Oh, you just sniff it. Alright, we got a shotgun now, baby. Boom! And get your head shot off! Why are you looking? Oh, you're covering behind the fridge. He's covering behind the fridge. That's funny. Oh, jeez. I'm sorry, dude. Is there another gun? Oh, no. Oh, dear. I might have cornered myself. Okay, I think that strategy was good, though. We just go grab the hammer, wait till it runs out, and then knock on his door. Okay. Hello, dude. Just knock it in. Boom! Okay, this guy there. Grab this gun. Knock on this door. He gets up. I shoot him in the face. This guy. Oh, crap. Oh, I have a gun. Oh, crap. I didn't even realize. Okay, shoot him in the head. Shoot you in the head. And then we can get... Oh. Who's alive? Oh, those people are down there by the street. Okay. Hello? Goodbye. Woo! See you, Dad? Yeah. Okay, now we gotta... Oh, I thought I already inspected the drugs. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, I need to kill those people down there. See, I can't... I think I'm done because I kill everybody, but then I didn't even kill the first people at the start. There we go. Now we can get to our car. Good as new. Thank you for letting me kill all the people. New high. Time 4 minutes. Accuracy 77. So he's going down. 4-star. 4 stars is still pretty good though. At least I didn't get like a 1 star. Go to the docks. Just did I do that? Come on, fire. Give me some information. The flames roar to life. I see visions inside. The fireplace begins to speak. Flashcards, blasters, burn to ash, so you can flatter their teeth. Intel. I see 2 entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. Okay. Wait a minute. I see 2 entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. I might have to go with the weapons one, the right, and the docks. Docks, okay. Oops. Alright, let's go! I think I'm gonna go. Left has less zombies though. Alright, let's try this one. Alright. The left has less. And this has more, but it has more weapons. Okay, well, I'm gonna go this way. Okay, that has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Okay. Oh, less weapons, it's saying. Let's turn these. We're gonna be very, very stealth. Burn all the drugs. Come on, dude. You can do this. You can do this, dude. You can do it. Lock the door. Shut the front door. Now, is this big guy? I need to get this big guy first. Get him, get! Alright, we're still going with this strategy. Lights off. Lights off. Lights off. Lights off. Turn the. Why can't I grab my. I don't know why couldn't I grab my gun. Now I'm off. Okay, there we go. Now I'm back. Crap. Don't go in there without a freaking gun. Oh no! Shoot! I didn't realize it was right there! Why did he come out? Because I just shot random bullets everywhere and he came out. It's not... Why do I keep going in there without a warning? And he's gonna be freaked out. This guy, I'm just gonna take him on. Take him on like a man. Okay, grab a knife. Grab a knife. Chuck. Grab a knife and you don't take it down. What? Shoot you in the face. Blow up the drugs. Knock on your door. Say hello to Mr. Gun, and I grab your shotgun, and I pull the trigger, but it only has 2 shots. Gotta make these shots count. I knock on your door, and I say hello, boom, boom. Then I grab a knife, because this shotgun's got a lot of bullets. Why am I song here? That's a good song. Wait, okay, going on. Let's turn the lights, that's not turning the lights off. Come on, dude. There's nothing to hide here. Over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Come over here, dude. Wait, can we go in this vent? Oh. Oh crap. Nope. Alright. We're gonna do a knife attack. Ready? Come on, dude. You know you want me. Ready? Ready? What? Come on. Go upstairs. Go upstairs, dude. Better go upstairs. Come on. Come on. There I am. There I am. Found me. Upstairs. This dude is literally the dumbest man alive. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Thank you. Okay, there's a gun up there. Well, hold on. Let me turn this lights off. Okay. Okay, there's a gun up here. I'll grab this so I can kill these two guys. And then shut the door. And then knock on it again. Knock. Hello, dude. Hello. Hello. Pizza delivery for icy wiener. If you don't know what that was from, it's from Future. Did I kill everybody here? It's from Futurama. You haven't watched our show? It's a good show, good cartoony show. Let me turn this off. Not hide behind the frickin' table, you idiot. There we go. Knock on this door. Prepare for doom. Prepare for doom. Prepare for doom. Oh crap, that's a big guy. I'm out of bullets! Oh, why didn't I say that I was out of bullets? Full concentration mode. I'm not ready to face him. What? Alright, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. I can't even get past this stupid level. Actually, you know what? No, we're not going to that side first. We're going to the left side. See what the left side has to offer. Ooh, vent. He's sitting on the toilet. Oh! Oh, you just got demolished by the toilet. Oh crap! Oh crap! Boom, baby! Knock knock. Okay, we got the big dude down. The big fatty McMuffins. Okay, let's do this. Anything in here? Nope, this is the beginning. Okay. Crap. I don't have any more weapons, don't I? I don't have any weapons. Why don't I have any weapons? All I have is a fist. All I have is a freaking fist, dude. Just take the fist. You take it like a man, and I kill you. Okay, there's a gun. Burn those freaking, I don't know what the, whatever those are. Ash coaches. Destroy the ash coaches. Ash coaches. Coaches? Come on, dude. Knock on the door, please. Thank you. Zoom. Oh, come on. I thought it was gonna be boom, boom. Knock. Nah, this music is awesome. I will say that. I'm gonna shut this door so it's a little bit more darker in here. A little bit more darker. Now you saw me, dudes. I don't know why they see me and then they hide. I'm just trying to kill you off one by one and do this in a slow fashion. One bullet left. One guy left. Who will win? That guy, because I'm gonna shoot him in the frickin'. But why didn't I shoot? I don't know why. Well, no. Why didn't I shoot? This game sucks. I don't know why I shot. I shot him. Hey, dude. A butthole. Oh. No, 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 you idiot, you idiot! I don't care about your stupid emails, whatever that was. No, I can't even move. I can't, why, okay. What is this? I don't want this. Alright, one last try. If I don't beat it this last try, I'm quitting. Or I'm gonna end the episode. And I'm out of... Oh. I hate this freaking level. I don't know why I can't beat it. I suck at games. The vents can help you flank enemies. Thanks for the hint. Oh, come on! You didn't have no freaking weapons. I don't know why I'm raging over such an easy level, but I can't beat it because I suck at games. Actually, I haven't played a game like this in a while. Oh, why? One last try. One last try. I'm done. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, punch that like button. And, yeah. And subscribe to this channel as well. Hope you guys enjoyed my suffering of this frickin' stupid level. I don't know why I can't beat it. But if you guys want to play more of this game, hit that like button, subscribe. And, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!